Hey guys, welcome back. The project at hand today is to get the motorhome out where we got it parked right now. The lot is wet. I'm afraid it's gonna get stuck. So I'm off to get some blocks, concrete blocks or wood. I'm not quite sure which would work best, but so, you know, if I buy one, I probably should have bought the other one, but we'll see. I'm leaning towards concrete blocks, so we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. All right, went with 2 by 12s by 8. I don't know if you can see them back there. Leave it at the hardware store. He said the blocks would probably work, but he said he wasn't guaranteeing this will work. He said, but he would think this would be better because you can distribute the weight better, and you can double them up if you need to. And he said those blocks might break and crack, which I've had that to happen at the other place when I pulled it in. Half the blocks are broke now. And he said, you know, he didn't know. He said, but he said, give this a shot, try it. So nothing to lose. If it doesn't work, it'll just cost me $400, $500, $600 in a wrecker bill. Just another day in paradise. So we'll see. Because when I start turning, the wheels start on track right through here. So once I get up here, I'm going to stop. Underneath each other. And then you're on top.